So here's a cinder block wall, and these are real cinder blocks because we've smashed, chipped through some of them, or chiseled through for some windows. And what happened here was somebody did some graffiti on this end of it. So we decided to add a little reinforcement with this fiber reinforced mortar. And I'm wetting it down. And then I'm just going to take my mortar. And it's a little messy because it's pretty thin, but you can see that by keeping it thin, we can spread it out nicely. Scoop a little bit, put a little on, push it against. And this stuff is super strong. This will really stick. I'll just put a little bit on and we'll just keep going right down through. And you can see we've already done a lot of the wall. Now there is different colors, different shades, but as time goes on they'll all blend together. I guess it's just how fast it dries or how thin I had it that day. And basically let's reinforcing our wall and taking care of any graffiti that we had on it. That's all there is to it. It takes some time, but not hard. Okay, so as far as the look of the wall, we really just wanted a kind of a random pattern look. So it's no pattern, we're just kind of roughing it in. We're not trying to make it smooth or anything. Give it some texture, and that's our goal here. So I'm very happy with it. See how hard it's already getting. Even though it was loose before, it's more of a cake frosting now. And basically, we're just going to do this whole area.